All right, welcome back to Tongue Twister Pronunciation Videos. The next one is about a lady selling seashells. So I will say it slowly to get the pronunciation correct first. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. For if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. All right, this one is difficult. So listen to that, go word by word slowly and get the pronunciation correct before you try to speed it up. So now I will say it a little bit faster. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. For if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. All right, sure. So it's like having a mouthful of mud, una boca llena de lodo. So let's speed it up a little bit more. She sells she, she sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. For if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. All right, let's try it a little bit faster if I can do this. All right. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she the shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. For if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the seashell tongue twister. Until next time, adios.